about to go to church, and Renee just finished eating. Ryan and Isabel, they're outside.
2 pence thing.
This one, small pepper. Small pepper. You guys, as I said, we're going to church and everyone is ready.
No!
Ryan is here and everyone is ready.
Oh.
We're just trying to get baby Renee's water because sometimes she gets thirsty in church. And yeah, let me put on my shoe, Ryan. I need to work on this bottle. This bottle keeps. She don't use your plate. Well, you'll be using Renee's stuff. But you don't want Renee to. You don't want them to use your stuff for Renee, for your baby sister. What kind of big sister are you? Okay. Guys, I'll talk to you. We're almost 40 minutes late, but our church is not stop. Our church is not so far away from here, so we can always meet up. I'll talk to you guys probably once I come back, if possible. Church, and it was a nice one, a nice service. I want to go to the kitchen and prepare something for breakfast, Abby for lunch. I'll be eating, I think we'll be eating rice and stew. I already have stew, so I'll just revamp the stew. Yeah, so let me just undress, then go to the kitchen, prepare the stuff. We're going to cook together anyway, so okay, let me get undressed, then I'll take you guys downstairs. guys doing? Oops, I just entered a bomb. Anyways, I went to the market. I went to a fast close by market so I can get some things. I want to make, what soup am I making today? Okazi soup, and I'll take you guys along because I think one of the videos I told you guys I made Okazi soup that is not afang soup. Someone actually requested that. When you talk too fast, that I make a video showing you guys how to do that. I'm going to do that in this video, but I wanted to just come here and do an intro. I'm heading off to, I don't know why I cannot talk today, but I'm heading off to get some clothes for myself. Yeah, my husband said I should get some clothes for work, so I want to go get some work clothes. Then after that, pick the kids, because it's already time to pick the kids, but I like to keep them there a little bit more so I can have more time to do other stuff. I did laundry today and I did a couple of stuff. Today was quite productive. I didn't go to work and I'm somehow happy. So let me rush up and get that stuff done, then come back. I went to a closer market, as I said. I'll show you guys the things I got once I get home. So once I get home, put these keke people, I'll show you guys the things I got. But yeah, hola, talk to you guys later. Okay guys, I have been able to shop for one of the dresses, so I still have one or two more to buy, but they didn't have the one I liked, so this is the one I actually chose amongst numerous trials. So the place I got it from is Figure Image. In case you're in Port Harcourt, I'm sure you know Figure Image. I went to the branch at Mola or Rumuguta Road. I'm actually off now, going to pick the kids. Then I'll catch up with you guys maybe once I get home and start cooking. That's the next time you guys are going to see me. Okay? If I'm looking somehow crappy, that is because I'm using my phone. I don't have the strength of going upstairs to get my camera, and if I get my camera I might not film this video. So I got home about 2-3 hours ago. Then I had to run some errand. I had to take Renee somewhere, and I had to also prep the things for cooking, and now I'm currently cooking. It's just a very fast soup. So what I did, I used the steaming method. If you guys know that, I blended onions and pepper, fresh pepper. See how I'm sweating, oh my gosh. And then fresh pepper, and I poured it in the pot, added some of the dry meat. That stuff you guys saw is the dry meat. We have a lot of it, and I'm so happy. Like, it just makes my life so much easier than having to wash fresh meat every time you want to cook. So dried or grilled or whatever. So we have that, and we have periwinkle, we have stockfish, we have smoked fish. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I love smoked fish a lot. It's my favorite. I'm a sucker for smoked fish. I think it's even more healthy and nutritious than all those big abara and the rest. Like, I'm not just a very dry fish person, I'm a grilled fish person. So I have that there. Then that stuff you guys saw is the snail. I didn't bother showing you guys my snail farm or my snail where I store snail, because you guys already know that. You've seen that in a previous video. So I just got like 6 snails out of that, and I washed it. Let me know if you guys wash your snail at home or you like to wash your snail in the market. I wash my snail at home because I like to take everything out, and because I buy snail in bulk, I can't take every time I want to cook, start taking snail to the market to wash. So I wash it at home. I feel it's even way better because then you can take your time, wash out the dirt. So I washed my snail. So let me know down in the comment section, do you wash your snail at home or you like washing it in the market with alum? And do you wash it with alum? How do you wash your snail basically? Do you use alum or do you use the intestine to wash it, or do you use the salt? Some people use different stuff, or some people use gari. Let me know what you use to wash your snail. Or lime, yeah, some people use lime, yeah, that's true. Madam, please, what is it? Oga, what is it? Hi. Good evening. It's a bit right. Carry your American flag and go outside. So, as I was saying, I'm talking to them. I'll talk to you guys later. You're distracting my audience, please. Thank you. I have to boil it a little bit so it can get softened before I add it in the soup, because I already started cooking the soup before washing the snail. It was just like a last minute. I think I've been talking for so long. Let me continue cooking and I'll talk to you guys. So what I have in the pot basically is I steamed the meat. I took out some of the meat. I took out the meat. Because I don't want it to get too soft. At the same time, I wanted to have some flavor in it. Good, go put it in your bag. Put everything back. Good. Yeah, so I still had to boil it so everything can get in as much as I still wanted the dry meat to still remain strong and dry. So I had to take it out. I had to take out some of the smoked fish. You guys saw when I was taking out the smoked fish. And then I added water to the residue, whatever was left. Okay, so I just added water and I want it to boil. Once it starts boiling, I'll wash this snail, put everything, put stock cube, put crayfish. Like, it's a fast soup. And the okazi, I already pounded that. You guys said when I was trying to grind it, I used my mortar to pound it. That's how my husband people eat it, and that's how he likes it. So he doesn't like it when you blend it in the market. They say it's not the same thing. I don't know, is it the same thing? Blending okazi in the market excuse me, and blending it at home, you guys should let me know, is it the same thing? Does it give you the same kind of stuff? And if this thing is looking like this, is because it's late, it's dark here, it's about 7 if not 8 p.m. but I have to cook because I'm going to work tomorrow morning and I won't have time to cook. So yeah, that's what we have going on here. So I'll just hurry up, put the snail, put the everything, then get this soup ready. Let's eat and I'll talk to you guys later, okay?
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow.
Okay, hey guys, I figured I haven't spoken to you guys in this vlog. I'm sure you guys must have seen like lots of heroes and everything. Anyway, this is my colleague. Hi. And yeah, we just came out from court. I'm heading towards my car. I parked in the High Court premises. I haven't vlogged it. I think one of these days I'll do a vlog about showing you guys the court in Port Harcourt, High Court, and all that. But yeah, I can't show you my old TD anyways because people are staring at me. I'll talk to you guys later, maybe when I get to the car. Hey guys, good morning. I just thought about you guys and said let me end this vlog here because I remember yesterday after I finished eating, cooking and doing everything, I didn't end the vlog. So I hope you guys are fine. Today is Thursday. I'm going to work, but I wanted to check up on you guys and see how you guys are doing. I'm in a little traffic in Port Harcourt is something else. Usually I thought it was just Mondays, but guys, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, even Sunday sometimes you still meet traffic at certain points in Port Harcourt, but that's fine. I hope you guys are fine. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, though it's just very random. Hopefully you enjoy it. Hopefully you had fun as much as I had fun creating it for you guys. And I hope to see you guys in my next video, okay? But for now, bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I forgot. Keep dropping your video requests in the comment section. Trust me, I see them. And the day I'm going to film them, I'm going to film a lot of videos. So I have a plan of going through my comment section, selecting the ones that are most requested and film them for you guys. It's just that I've not really had time, but I'm going to get time. Hopefully maybe I'm going to even film a video today. I don't know, depending on when I close from work. But yeah, I just wanted to drop that here, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.